together. Ito si Mahmoud, but he got away with it. At biglang nadapa. Ito si Asi Taulava. Over itong kay Mahmoud. Ali Mahmoud, tingnan natin dito. Ito yung tira ni Renren Ritualo. That's his 5th 3-point basket.
He's had 5 3-pointers and the minutes na nilaro ito si Renren Ritualo, napaka-konti lamang.
Oo. Well, he's expected to provide instant offense para sa Team Pilipinas. Baseline inbound play. Nagkakatirahan na dito si Kelly Williams at si Brian Beshara.
I told you this guy Brian Beshara, may init ng ulo ng batang to eh.
With my penetration and drop pass dito kay Brian Beshara. Now it's 7-7-7-7. Norwood. We're dribbling the basketball too much here in the second half.
And you can see how far our offense is. No one's really in a shooting range.
Unlike the first half, more ball movement pinapakita. Here's Norwood ngayon. He flies! And wala. Rebound to Asi Taulava. Fresh shot clock para sa Team Pilipinas.
And you can see, look how far Jamie Alapag is when he's trying to set up the offense.
Here's Alapag now. Alapag to Taulava. Norwood now. 4-3. Bang!
We're gonna rely a lot on our 3-point shooting at nakikita natin kung gaano pa importante to. This is the big equalizer in international competition.
Day para sa ating Team Pilipinas.
Sabi nga natin, ang 3-point field goal is a great equalizer in international competition. Dito sa fourth quarter, 6 3-pointers ang Team Pilipinas and that's the only basket that we've had. Panay tres lamang.
Ito na si Jimmy Alapag, inalalo ng Giants. A courageous move by the Mighty Mouse. Jimmy Alapag with 10 points. Now 82-77. It's Ronnie Fahed. Fahed given 2 screens. Fahed falls down and there's a pushing foul. You know, this is an invitational tournament, a prelude to FIBA Asia. But what action we're witnessing here right now, and to think wala pa yung mga top players ng parehong koponan. Oo. From the outside, Mahmoud.
Big rebound mula kay Kelly Williams. You know, it seems in the last part of the Jones Cup and in this game, Kelly Williams is really stamping his name as one of the guys in that top 12.
Here's Jimmy Alapag. Nagkaroon ng switch sa depensa. Alapag! No! That would have been a big, big basket para sa Team Pilipinas. And that was an open look. Under 2 minutes. Door outside to Beshara. Comes closer, turns around, pulls up. Wala. Si Palpal ang inabot ni Mahmoud kay Taulava. Here's Kelly Williams. Williams ngayon, crossover dribble. Nabitawan, tumama sa paa. Ito na kayo, counter fast break. Noor, dire-diretso. And ito si Renren Ritualo just gives up the foul.
Now, the good thing about that foul mula kay Renren Ritualo, he didn't allow etong Lebanon to have a shot or a chance for a 3-point play.
Look at this, almost another inside point para dun sa maliit na mama ng Lebanon.
Para sa mga gwardya nila.
Buti naman, nandito na si Asi Taulava. Noor on your free throw line. Handles the pressure, makes his first free throw. A minute and 22 seconds remaining. 4 po ang pinoprotektahan lamang ng ating San Miguel Team Pilipinas. 2 for 2 para dito kay Noor. And Coach Sean Reyes who's... All right, coming up is a very crucial possession para sa ating Team Pilipinas, but we just want to remind you na bukas po sa Araneta Coliseum po yung laban. At 2 p.m., Lebanon goes up against Syria, which will be telecast at 11 p.m. At 4 p.m., live po, China versus our SMC Team Pilipinas. 6 p.m. is the PBA Leo Awards. At 7 p.m. is Game 4 of the Best of 7 final series between Alaska and the Talking Text Homebound. And ito nga po, this will be a crucial possession for SMC Team Pilipinas. Let's take a look at Eric Meg and Tony De La Cruz. Ito pong Lebanon, nag-hibernate nung first half pero biglang nagising dito second half.
At kabaliktaran naman para sa Team Pilipinas.
But so far, I mean, kahit nga nagkaroon tayo ng drought doon, we have recovered. And now we are protecting a 3-point lead. Tingnan natin kung how this story will finish. We are hoping it will not be a repeat of what happened doon po sa Jones Cup.
Pero alam mo yung score, so parang deja vu ang nakikita natin. Malaking kalamangan, hinabol nila, lumamang sila, tapos kinuha ulit natin yung lamang. Tapos alam na natin ang nangyari pagkatapos nun. Ang importante ngayon para sa Team Pilipinas, this possession, get the ball in bounds and get yourself a good look at the basketball.
One thing we've learned, itong Lebanese team, hindi lang po El Khatib team to. Very strong team. Oh, that's a risky pass from Jimmy Alapag. At ito na, si Mahmoud dire-diretso, protecting the ball with his body. And only a 1-point lead para sa Team Pilipinas.
Right now, Team Pilipinas has to let that possession go and know that all they have to do again is to have a good setup dito sa pagkakataon na to.
Ito na si Jimmy Alapag. Alapag, inside, goes up. Wala. Williams for an offensive rebound and a putback. May foul pa. And Williams was at the right place at the right time. With 3 seconds remaining, left-handed hook shot. Big basket for Kelly Williams.
But right here, it all started with this drive of Jimmy Alapag. Puts all the Lebanese players out of position. But look at this big rebound mula kay Kelly Williams on the weak side. Yan yung mga kailangan natin, yung mga offensive rebounds. And that was the biggest one dito sa araw na ito.
A rebound shy for a double-double performance for Kelly Williams. Missing that free throw. Still not out of the woods, mga kaibigan. Only a 3-point lead. Napakaraming 3-point shooters nitong Lebanon. Ito na si Fahed. Ito na yung isang 3-point shooter nila. Vogel misfiring that one. And good recovery by Team Pilipinas. Jimmy Alapag, ginawakan nitong si Noor. And the Lebanese side was asking for a foul in that last play. At ito naman si Jimmy Alapag ang masusubukan sa free throw line. There you have it, si Coach Dragan Racha. Jimmy Alapag. First free throw is good.
Jimmy's had a good game sa araw na ito. Already has 11 points and 7 assists. Had a couple of miscues here and there, a couple of turnovers. But all in all, he was able to control the team nung kinakailangan siya.
So Alapag makes it. Still a 2-possession ball game. 5-point lead para sa Team Pilipinas. 35 seconds remaining. Diretso dito si Mahmoud. Beshara for 3. Good tap by Dodon Ontiveros to Jimmy Alapag. Preemptive foul given up by Joe Vogel. And Alapag can ice this one with 2 free throws. And yun ang dapat rin ginagawa. You saw that tap by Dodon Ontiveros. Kung di mo rin talaga makukuha yung rebound, tap it to your teammate.
Now that's taught by a lot of coaches. Pag mas maliit tayo, tapikin natin because kadalasan, kung mas maliit yung koponan mo, mas mabilis kayo. Pag tinampik mo, ball hits the ground. Wala nang size dyan, wala nang matangkad, wala nang maliit. Ang tanong dyan, sino ang mas mabilis?
Yan. And so far, and dito po sa ball game na to, naging diferensya. We have been making the crucial plays dito po sa end game. At, well, we may have really learned our lesson doon sa Jones Cup. At mababayaan na lang po nila ito si Noor and Vogel. Challenge still by Taulava. 2 seconds remaining. Noor getting that basket. And